You think you could shotgun one of these with me real quick?
Shotgun?
We go over there in the corner and shotgun one. I paid for them, so we're good. See, I got the receipt right there.
Where I would. I'm on like 12.
No chance?
I don't think so.
Hey, sir.
Oh, sorry.
No, don't be sorry. You're good. You think you would want to shotgun one of these with me?
I care too much about my public image.
Help me out and shotgun one of these with me.
No, dude, I'm
no?
good. But
You all good?
yeah, thanks.
Oh, thank you, sir. Oh my, you look just like my friend. You look just like my best friend Ricky. Are you related? Is your last name Bullduck?
Nope.
Look, you look close. You look just like him. I'm just playing.